Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from sunny and always hot Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, I got a Ram TRX here, supercharged V8, one badass truck. And man, what did we do to it? So swing around here, I'm gonna tell you. Now, if you notice, this truck happens to have the Rambar. Now, a lot of times when you see the Rambar, you say, wow, man, with the Rambar, I guess I cannot get a cover because the Rambar would prevent that from happening. But what do we got here? We got a cover, that's right. This is the PowerTraxPro. Actually, it's a PowerTraxPro with the XT rails, or XR rails, sorry about that. So let's take a look. If you're not familiar with the PowerTrax, you got the little remote here. Let's hit the O for open here. There you go. Now it also has a little light in there. If you look to the left, you see the LED light. So you got a full all metal rolling cover that's electric. And what's nice about this, you can stop at different spots. If I let go of the button, it will stop there. So you can put it anywhere you want along the track here. Now, I'm going to talk about a few things, but I'm not going to tell you all the things. As you know, it looks like this thing just went right in there and no problems whatsoever. I wish that was that easy. As Joel, who's behind the camera, would tell you, we worked on this together, and it looked like it would be easy, but it was a little bit more work, and we had to do some things to make it all work, but we got it done, and it works really good. Now, if you buy it from us, I will be happy to tell you exactly what we did, because if you get this and you try to put it in without doing the things we did today, it won't work. It won't fit. So now, a couple things you're going to notice is some of the hardware is in a different location up here. Main reason is the hardware that holds this in place blocked this from going where it's supposed to go. So that's one little secret that we moved it over there. That's the only way it would work. But again, this thing looks good, works good. I mean, I like having a power cover, and I like having the T-slots here. Now, if you look at my truck over here, I have the T-slots on here, and with the T-slots, you can put in the Elevate system. You could put the Rhino racks on here. You could put a Safari basket, and we got this is basically a tent that swings around here. It's awning, actually, not a tent. All this stuff that's on my truck can go on this truck. Once you get the T-slot, you can put a lot of stuff on there. Now, of course, you will not be able to access the T-slot that goes in here because obviously the Rambar is there. But you still have a lot of room here to put all this stuff on here. And nice about having an electric cover with the if you lift the truck any further up, that's not a problem. This will work just fine. You don't have to worry about the height because you got a remote. So again, I love opening and closing this. Now, what's nice about the power cover, this holds 500 pounds and comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty, which is a very good warranty for that. All in all, I like this setup. I think it works good, it looks good. You do have room underneath the canister, so you're gonna put some plywood in there, not a problem. Now, if you want to buy this and have it shipped to you, we can do that, not a problem. And we'll tell you exactly what you have to do to make the Rambar work with your PowerTrax XR. We can tell you all the little secrets. Now, if you don't buy it from us, well, whoever you bought it from will tell you the secrets if they know, because a lot of people don't install. But as you can see from the video, guess what? We install. We know how to do it. We have done it. We made the video for it. Again, if you like anything you see, hit the like button. We appreciate it, and subscribe to our channel. And again, if you like this stuff, I'm going to put a link on the bottom of this YouTube video. It'll show you the price on this. And if you want to order, it'll take you right to the website, show you shipping and everything else. We'll take care of all that for you. And again, if you get it and you say, well, man, how do I do this? How to do that? You can call. You can ask for Joel, who's behind the camera, or you can ask for myself, Chris, Dave. Any of us can walk you through it, and we'd be glad to help you out. Again, this is the PowerTrax Pro XR on a Ram TRX. And I tell you, I love this Ram. Thank you so much. Have a great day.